everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm unboxing the Fossil Gen 5 smartwatch. Now this is actually my very first Fossil smartwatch. It's also my very first Wear OS smartwatch. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside the box. I'll go ahead and lift this up, and I'll take this out. And we got some paperwork here in the bottom. And that's all that's in the box. There's some cool insignia inside the box here. Put that to the side. Looks like we have a quick start guide and a huge warranty and information in several languages. It's the largest warranty booklet I've ever seen. So looks like here we have the charger. Oh, interesting. And on this side, nothing. So there's some padding here, that's nice. And this is the watch itself. Over here on the side, looks like we have the speaker. And on this side we have the 3 buttons, and I believe that's the microphone. Looks like a relatively thin watch. I think it's only 12 millimeters thick. And it's also my first smartwatch that came with a tag. I'll get to this in a second. I'm going to move this quick start guide out of the way for the moment. Let's take a look at this charger here. Looks like we don't have to use that thing. So first impressions are, it's kind of plasticky. It probably is plastic. Looks like an Apple Watch charger, but does not feel like one. Feels kind of cheap, to be 100% honest. But I'm sure it does the job just fine. We've got a USB Type A charger. And over here, I believe, is a magnetic charging port. So we have some plastic here we can deal with later. There, okay. So, let's see if I can get this off. So this is the stainless steel mesh band, and I was a little worried it might not be nice, but it's actually really impressive. Let's see if I can get it off. Not sure. Okay, so I lift it up on this side, and then I lift up on that side. Oh, all right, so that wasn't too bad. Let's take off, see if we can take off this. Don't really want to cut it, but so close. There we go. I'll keep that front one on here for a moment. Let me show you the back. So the back is protected by this little sticker, I guess. So there's a first look at the back of the Fossil Gen 5 smartwatch. So we have a heart rate sensor, and I believe these concentric circles are the charging rings. So I believe what you do is you just attach this magnetically to the back, and you'll see these 2 charging pins here. They will connect to any point of the circle. So that is magnetic. Let's see how, not very strong. So with most other magnetic chargers, you can easily hold the watch up with the magnet. This one, that is not the case, but it does hold in any direction, so that's interesting. But yeah, so then you just plug that into a compatible power source. That's how it would be charged. So let's go ahead and look at the front of the watch here. So I'll remove this sticker. And got a little dust on here. There we go. So I'm actually pretty happy with the version I chose. Looks really nice. These are the 3 buttons, and this middle button can move, but it seems like it's easier to move with 2 fingers. Interesting. I'll just kind of show you this here. And here on the band, looks like we have some plastic we can take off. Oh, I see, it's protecting this part of the band. So that's nice. And then on the other side, we don't have the same thing. You got the little Fossil logo there. Okay. Show that to you again. Alright, so let's see what it looks like on my wrist. Hope it fits. See if I can figure out how to put it on also. That's also a trick. So, I believe I pulled that up. Nice. Okay, there, so that clicked. Looks like this might be the perfect size for my wrist. I'm not sure how you would change that exactly. You probably have to use a tool to move this up. Not sure at the moment. But yeah, this is how it looks on my wrist before we try to boot it up here. And I have to say, I'm pretty pleased with this color. This is the Julianna style. There's also a Carlisle style if you prefer a less feminine look, if you will, but I think this would look fine on a man either. Also, I mean, I'm really impressed with this band. I wasn't sure if it was going to feel legit, I guess, and it does, so really happy about that. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up below, as it really helps this channel and my video. And consider subscribing if you want to see more Fossil Gen 5 videos, Fitbit and Apple Watch videos, and other wearable content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.